What happens when two different species come together? Meet nature's most fascinating hybrids, creatures born from the impossible. First up, the mighty liger. A mix of a lion and a tiger, it's the world's largest big cat, growing bigger than both parents. But did you know ligers love to swim like tigers, yet have a lion's social nature? Ever seen a horse with zebra stripes? That's a zorse. This wild combo gets its speed from a horse and its toughness from a zebra. Climate change led to a shocking hybrid, the growler bear, a mix of a polar bear and a grizzly. These powerful beasts can survive in both icy and forested terrains. Nature is full of surprises. Which hybrid amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and follow for more wild facts.